Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Six Figure Entrepreneur Networker.
Hello, everyone. This is Philip LeBlanc from TheEntrepreneurNetworker.com. We're going to talk about one of the biggest points about being an entrepreneur networker, multiple streams of income. It's called the gold rush mentality. If you think about the gold rush back in the old West times, everyone went out there rushing for the great wealth of finding gold, but not everyone found it. But who made money no matter what if you found gold? The guy that sold the shovel. Think about your network marketing business. Think about all the gurus out there, even those who haven't maybe recruited in 20 years. No matter whether or not you recruit a person, whether or not they recruit a person, they have a system set up to where they'll always generate income. And so we're going to be giving you tips and tools on how you can create your own shovels in your internet marketing business, in your network marketing business, and no matter whether you recruit a person or not, you'll always have multiple streams of income coming in. So think about the gold rush period and how you can apply it to your business right now. This is Philip LeBlanc from TheEntrepreneurNetworker.com with your 1-minute tip. We'll see you at the top.